Hey everyone, welcome to Dinesh Sharma 10x, where we make your Excel work super productive. Here I have sample data and I want to do some analysis on this data, but I don't know how to start. Where should I start? What kind of pivot tables I should be creating? What kind of charts I should be able to make out of this data? So in those kind of cases, simply click inside your data range. Then in the home tab on the rightmost side, you will find this analyze data button. Click on this and Excel will suggest you some discover insights. Like it will give you some ready-made pivot tables. You can simply click here and insert it. I click here and it has given me one of the pivot table, which is for region wise sales and the unit prices. I want to change this. I don't want the unit price as in this one, so I can simply remove the unit price, and this is region wise total sales. Now going again here, if you want some charts, it has also given you some suggestions on the charts. Let's click on this and it will also add a chart. Moreover, if you want that your desired answer is not here, you can also click on this and it will give you many more insights in your data, and you can select any one of these and insert in your file. Moreover, you can also ask a question. You can write here your question and it will give you the answer. There are suggested questions also, so I'm not going to type a question. If you want to type a new question, that is also okay, but only thing you need to remember is write the correct column heading and it will give you the answer. Right now let's click here and I'm asking total sales by category as a column, and it has given me total sales as a category, and you can insert the chart. This is all ready made. Everything is made by Excel, ready for you to kick a start. Then you can do the modifications according to your need. And I hope that this video has given you valuable insights on the power of Microsoft Excel, how you can start analyzing your data. If that's the case, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends and colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.